For this recipe, we're using 4 chicken leg quarters. And for the best result, use paper towels and pat them dry just like so. Now, let's make the marinade. Combine adobo seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, dried parsley flakes, dried oregano, dried thyme, dry rosemary, some ground cumin, smoked paprika for that smoky flavor, 1 packet of sazon, freshly ground black pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then mix to combine. Get the full detailed recipe at kelvinskitchen.com. Season the chicken with the marinade. With clean hands, make sure to rub all around the chicken, even under the skin. We want this chicken leg quarters to be bursting with flavor. Now transfer to the fridge and let the chicken marinate for at least 1 hour. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 190 degrees Celsius. Once the chicken has marinated, transfer to a roasting pan, preferably with a wire rack. Roast at 375 degrees for about 45 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And for that crispy skin, during the last couple of minutes of cooking, change the oven to broil. And if everything goes according to plan, your chicken leg quarters will look like this. Let the chicken rest for a few minutes before serving. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve with whatever side you want. There you guys have it, juicy oven baked chicken leg quarters. Enjoy, buen provecho, thanks for watching, see you later, bye.
Yeah.